Welcome students to the online class. Today we will learn about tenses, present perfect continuous tense, in which we will learn about the interrogative sentences. In case of interrogative sentences, the pattern is has or have plus subject plus been plus ing form of verb. For example, has it been raining since last night? In second case, have you been waiting for me for a long time? In case of negative interrogative sentences, the pattern is has or have plus subject plus not plus been plus ing form of verb. For example, has it not been raining since last night? Second, have you not been playing for over 2 hours? Here we have been using the use of since and for. Now we should remember 2 points about the since and for, where it is used and how is it used. We often use since and for with perfect continuous tense. Since is used to denote a point of time at which an action started. Again I am repeating, a point of time at which an action started. That means the action continues or goes on till the present moment. For example, she has been studying since 8 o'clock. Now we will use for. For is used to denote a period of time for which an action has been going on. I repeat again, for is used to denote a period of time for which an action has been going on. For example, she has been studying for 2 hours. I hope students you have understood about the since and for, and in our next video we will be learning about the past tense. Thank you.